how to transfer your immigrant visa case to another US consulate. That's what we're going to talk about in this video.
USA Mon.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. Your case is at NVC right now. Your immigrant visa case is at US Consulate right now, but things are not moving the way you want it to. And you're planning to move your case from NVC to another US Consulate, which is different than the one you put on your I-130 petition form. Or your case is at the US Consulate, but you decide to move it to another US Consulate. How exactly you do that? I receive messages from a lot of you guys who want to do that but don't know exactly what to do. First thing first, when you make a decision to transfer your immigrant visa case from NVC to another US consulate, different than the one you put on your I-130 form, well, you have to send a request to NVC before they can transfer your case for you. It's not something you can do yourself. You don't just wake up one day and say, okay, I'm going to transfer my case to another US consulate and it will be done. No. There are procedures you have to follow. And one of them is to send a written request to NVC asking them to send your case to another US consulate. Okay? So now in your request, make sure you put a reason why you want to transfer the case. Make sure you put the address. Let's say the new US consulate is in Nigeria, for example, but you live in Benin. You want to move your case to Nigeria. You have to provide an address of Nigeria. You have to send that in the request. You have to let NVC know that either you are a citizen of Nigeria or you are a resident of Nigeria, because they're going to ask you for a proof, to see if you are eligible to transfer your case to Nigeria. Okay? That's what you need to do before NVC can make a decision to transfer your case to another US consulate for you. If you're just coming for the first time, my name is John. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I have a viewer, a subscriber, who sent me a message regarding this probably like a month ago. In his case, his visa was denied because, according to him, he didn't have a laissez-passer, which is a document that allowed you to travel to another country. He didn't have that document with him. That's the reason why his visa was denied. But the thing is, I don't know if he followed the right procedure. That's one thing. Sometimes your case is already at a US consulate and you want to move it from that US consulate to another US consulate. For that one, you will contact the US consulate you want to send the case to. You're going to send them a request, a written request again, explaining the reason why you want to transfer your case to their location. You have to, let them know or send a proof that you are a citizen of that country or you are a resident of that country. If you're not a citizen or a resident of that country, you let them know as well. Same thing with NVC. They will tell you exactly what you do. If you're going to be eligible to do that, to transfer your case, they will let you know. But if you're not going to be eligible because you are not a citizen of that country or you are not a permanent resident or a resident of that country, they will let you know as well. One thing you have to keep in mind is that by transferring your case to another US consulate doesn't mean that they're going to process that case right away. They're still going to process that case based on when the case is documented to qualify. Okay? Because there are visa applicants who are already in line before you. So they're still going to follow all that. Sometimes people think that by transferring their immigrant visa case to another US consulate in another country will speed up the process to get an immigrant visa or to get an interview appointment letter. No. You just have to be patient till you reach the front of the line before you can receive an interview appointment letter. Sometimes, if they send a request to the US consulate, they didn't send the correct document, the US consulate will ask for additional document that can delay the process as well. So you have to, think about all those stuff and make sure by transferring your case, everything gonna go faster. Okay, you don't want to end up transferring your case, but things gonna start moving faster in the consulate where the case was the first place. You don't want that. Another thing I want to add is sometimes some US consulate put information regarding how to transfer immigrant visa case to their location, or even non-immigrant visa case to their location on their website. You can visit usembassy.gov. You go to that website and click on the US consulate where you want to send the case to, and then read that information on their website before you start the process. If you like the video, click on the like button, share it. Don't forget to subscribe.
USA Monde.